Hello, welcome to a very cute report from ScienceDaily.com. This one is titled Duck-Billed Dinosaurs. Evolutionary Burst Led to Weird and Wonderful Head Crests. May 2nd, 2019 by the University of Bristol. And here you can actually see we have three very cute hadrosaur skulls for you. The first one being the Lambosaurus lambi. This guy here is the Gryposaurus notabilis, and my personal favorite on the bottom, the Parasaurophilus walkeri, aka Ducky. And I love dinosaurs, especially duckies, and these aka hadrosaurs walked on the earth over 90 million years ago and were one of the most successful groups of dinosaurs, and cutest, might I add. But why were these 2 to 3 ton giants so successful and cute? A study published in Paleobiology shows their special adaptations in teeth and jaws and in their head crest were crucial, and provides new insights into how these innovations evolved. Called the sheep of the Mesostoicas, they filled the landscape in the late Cretaceous period. Hadrosaurs walked on their hind legs and were known for their powerful jaws with multiple rows of extremely effective teeth. They also had hugely varied head display crests that signaled which species each belonged to and were used to attract mates. Some even trumpeted and tooted their special call using nasal passages through the head crests. Researchers from the universities of Bristol and the Catalan Institute of Paleontology in Barcelona used a large database describing morphological variety in hadrosaur fossils and computational methods that quantify morphological variety and the pace of evolution. Dr. Tom Stubbs, leader of the study and researcher from Bristol School of Earth Sciences, said our study shows the unique hadrosaur feeding apparatus, also known as a mouth, evolved fast in a single burst, and once established, showed very little change. In comparison, elaborate display crests kept diversifying in several bursts of evolution, giving rise to many weird and wonderful shapes. Professor Mike Benton, the study's co-author from Bristol School of Earth Sciences, added the variation in anatomy can arise in many ways. We wanted to compare two famous hadrosaur innovations and by doing so provide new insights into the evolution of this important dinosaur group. New numerical methods allow us to test these kind of complex evolutionary hypotheses. Our methods allowed us to identify branches in the hadrosaur evolutionary tree that showed rapid evolution in different parts of the skeleton. When we looked at the jaws and teeth, we only saw fast evolution on a single branch at the base of the group. On the other hand, the bones that formed the display crests showed multiple fast-rate branches. And that was Dr. Armin Elsler, the co-author of the study, and Dr. Albert Prieto Marquez, co-author and writing a world-leading expert on hadrosaurs from the Catalan Institute of Paleontology in Barcelona, added, our results suggested that evolution can be driven in different ways by natural selection and sexual selection. Hadrosaurs apparently fixed on a feeding apparatus that was successful and did not require a massive modification to process their food. On the other hand, sexual selection drove the evolution of more complex crest shapes. And this is reflected by multiple evolutionary bursts. And here we have sources provided by the University of Bristol. And the authors were Thomas L. Stubbs, Michael J. Benton, Armin Elsler, Albert Prieto Marquez. And the paper was titled Morphological Innovation and the Evolution of Hadrosaurid Dinosaurs, and published in Paleobiology 2019 on May the 2nd. And so I look forward to all of your questions and comments. Michio Kaku here is like, did you just tell me that dinosaurs think head crests are sexy? And the answer to that question is yes. And I'm just reporting the facts. And I hope we all learned something.